Now is a great time to start planting your summer hanging baskets, and we've got a great selection of stopper plants here in the garden centre. They're so easy to do and add instant colour. They're that easy that I'm going to show you how to plant one in under 90 seconds. So here we go. First you want to add your compost. We're doing a 14-inch hanging basket today, and we like to think of hanging baskets as just like making a cake, so we stick to a recipe to make sure that you get a nice full basket. So I've got a full basket there of compost. I'm going to add some aqua gel in here. This helps retain the moisture, and so there's less watering that you have to do throughout the summer and dry days. I'm just sprinkling on some slow release food, and we're just going to give that a quick mix in the top. So now we've got that nice and mixed in. You want to start in the centre. Today we're putting a fuchsia in the centre because it'll have loads of flowers throughout the summer. And then I've got 6 bedding plants then, summer flowering plants, which I'm going to add in around the edge. Now these are going to be great for impact and colour, and I've chosen a selection which is going to give this a nice mix. So we've got 6 of those going in, evenly spaced around the edge. And once you've got your 6 basket plants in, the next thing is lobelia. Lobelia is great because it's going to trail down the sides, and it's how you get those big colourful tails around your basket. So I've got 4 lobelia plants in there, and finally we're going to put some violas in the middle, and the violas will continue flowering throughout the summer as long as you keep deadheading. So there you go, a 14-inch hanging basket in under 90 seconds. We hope to see you in.